Ever wondered what it takes to be a successful DJ? The answer goes beyond a love for music and an irresistible urge to get people moving. Today, we delve into the essentials that make the difference between an average DJ and an exceptional one. Firstly, the equipment. A DJ's toolkit is not complete without the right gear. This includes a reliable DJ controller, a device that allows DJs to mix music with software on their computers. It's the cockpit of the DJ setup, where all the magic happens. Next, a good pair of headphones. These are not just for looking cool on stage, they allow DJs to preview the next track, ensuring a smooth transition and keeping the party going. Third on the list, a solid laptop. In this digital age, a laptop is a DJ's best friend. It stores and organizes all the music, and when paired with DJ software, it becomes a powerful tool for creating unforgettable sets. But equipment alone won't make you a successful DJ. It's also about the skills. Understanding music theory is crucial. This isn't about reading sheet music or playing an instrument. It's about knowing how songs are structured, understanding rhythms, and being able to match beats. Then there's the art of reading the crowd. A successful DJ knows how to adapt to the mood of the room, choosing the right tracks at the right time to keep the energy high. And lastly, self-promotion. In the modern world, a DJ needs a strong online presence. This includes an engaging website, active social media accounts, and a portfolio showcasing their mixes. Now, let's summarize. To be a successful DJ, you need the right equipment. A reliable DJ controller, a good pair of headphones, and a solid laptop. But you also need to master certain skills, understanding music theory, reading the crowd, and promoting yourself effectively. Each of these items is essential in its own way. The equipment allows you to execute your vision, the skills enable you to create a unique experience, and self-promotion helps you reach a wider audience. Becoming a successful DJ is a journey that requires dedication, passion, and the right tools. So if you've ever wondered what it takes, now you know. It's about more than just playing music. It's about creating an experience that leaves the crowd wanting more.